It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, Fool, You Need This Tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, I bring you a tool. A tool that I use here in this shop, or that I have featured on this channel. This week's tool comes from a buddy of mine, Brad, over at Hourglass Ingenuity. You probably know Brad from Instagram, or Weld Porn, or YouTube. You might have seen him on YouTube. Anyway, Brad manufactures one of the best TIG torch holders on the market. So this is his Hourglass Ingenuity TIG torch holder. It is a complete CNC cut piece. It is a 100% CNC cut piece. This thing is super high quality. And really, this is made for those guys that are running, you know, the big cups, the ones that are even bigger than this. And you don't want this thing falling out on the floor and breaking your nice, good cup. I mean, if you use any of the Furic stuff, you know that you almost shed a tear when you break one. Well, this thing right here kind of fixed that problem. It's got these little detents on it. This thing clicks in there. It's not gonna come out when you need it. I mean, obviously it just pops right back out, but when you don't need it, it's not gonna go anywhere, right? Nice and solid in there. And when you're spending $30, $40 on a good cup, you don't want to break it. You don't want it falling out of your TIG torch holder. This thing is designed to be an under table mount, so you can kind of just pop this thing underneath your welding table. Wherever you've got a piece of steel that you can kind of mount this thing up underneath it, that's the way it's designed to be done. Has a 90-pound pull magnet, so this thing's not going anywhere. I mean, it's not gonna just fall off on its own. I've been using one of these things for a long time. This is the one I've had for a while. He's redesigned them. He's kind of removed the centerpiece. It's a little less bulky. Lets that torch kind of hang in there a little bit better. But to be honest with you, this one worked perfect. I never had any issues with it, never had it come loose, never ever had my TIG torch fall out of it. Kind of works out good now that I got two, because I got two welding tables. Now I got one for each. He also supplies a shim kit with it, so if the width of this thing doesn't fit your needs, you can kind of shim this thing to make it a little bit wider if you need to. You can kind of fine tune it to fit exactly the style torch that you use. All right, guys, there you go. This week's tool. You can go check out Brad's billet TIG torch holder at hourglassfab.com. You can also find him online. I'll put a bunch of links in the description. He's got a YouTube channel. It's a huge resource if you're wanting to learn TIG welding. He's also on Instagram. Go check him out there. I mean, you have to go at least check him out. And tell Brad I sent you. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys some more this week. It's Friday, fool.